Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enter or exit recovery mode in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to enter or exit recovery mode, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via charging cable on any wire, and after that you can easily make the step. So to do that, you just have to press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. So let's try that. Just press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time, just like that. And now you just have to wait for your screen goes fully black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. And after that, just release all the buttons and wait for that. So here's the recovery mode of your phone. Here you can easily select or choose which one you want to do. Here you have to keep in mind that your touch won't work here. You just have to use these three buttons: volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and press the power button to select that option. Now if you want to exit that, you just have to select reboot system now option or power off option, but I'm going to reboot my system. Just select that, and here just press the power button. It will make a restart to your phone. So in this way you can easily enter or exit recovery mode in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.